Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about amplitude modulation. What is the amplitude modulation? We are all communicating signals. It can be voice signal, it can be music signals. If the signal need to be communicated to a longer distance, then you need to do modulation of your signal. The signal is modulated using a carrier, and what is transmitted is a high frequency carrier wave. So let us see how to transmit a signal, a low frequency signal, to a longer distance using amplitude modulation technique. Let us consider a signal, to be S of t, which is a low frequency in nature. I will consider this as am cos of omega mt. This is a signal where am is the amplitude and omega m is the frequency. Where omega m is the frequency, right? This is the amplitude and this is frequency. This is frequency, this is frequency. And this signal is multiplied by another high frequency wave, which is called as a carrier wave. I will write it as AC cos of omega ct. This is a high frequency carrier wave. So what you get here is AM wave, which is called as amplitude modulated wave, right? So hope you all understood this. We'll see the next section, the next topics in the next video. Thank you.